Welcome friends, and welcome back to Katie's Camp Kitchen. Today we're going to use a Dash Mini Pie Maker to make cornbread. We're going to be using a Bluetti EB3A to cook the cornbread. It's going to go ahead and preheat the little pie maker and we'll see how we do. It is using 339 watts to get the little pie maker going. I think the specs are 350 watts. I'm using both a power meter inserted here into the power station as well as a second device so that I can graph the results. I'm just following the directions on this package, which is for 1 egg, the mix itself, and 1/3 of a cup of milk. Too thick. So here goes my 1/3 of a cup of milk. We are in the camper today. Looking at the pie maker, the light has gone off, so it is ready for the cornbread mix. I'm just going to wait a couple of minutes just to let the cornmeal rehydrate. Also, I like to keep this and all these small appliances on a silicone pad, especially on this laminate counter. You get hot around them and on the bottom, so make sure you have enough room around them. And so far we're at 10 watt hours. And I'm just going to go ahead and just add another splash of milk into that mix. I want it to be thick, but it's horrible. Actually, the directions for the pie maker actually call to spray it, but I do not like to spray oil in my house or in my camper because I don't want that aerosolized oil going all over everything. I like to control where the oil goes. I go ahead and pour in the mix. This is going to puff up, but I don't want it to actually come out of the maker. And I'm going to set a timer for 8 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check this. It's been about 7 minutes at this point. And that is done. Let's see how this looks. Perfectly done. That was 7 minutes. I'm going to let it cool a little bit before we cut into it. And according to this meter, we've used 32 watt hours so far, and that includes the preheat. I'm just going to heat this up until the little light goes out. I'm actually just going to use my little measuring cup that I had the milk in to pour this in. It's thickened up a little bit more, but it should be fine. Okay. And there we go. We're going to go for 8 minutes. This Dash Mini Pie Maker and all mini appliances get a little hot on the outside, so you need to make sure you leave space. We were able to make 5 corn muffins out of the 1 box of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix, which is awesome. These taste really good. Another use for the Dash Mini Pie Maker is to make mini omelets, mini quiches, pies of course, little cakes. In the coming videos we'll use this even more. To preheat the Dash Mini Pie Maker and to cook 5 cornbread muffins, we used 105 watt hours of energy or battery capacity. To cook this with a portable power station, you will need one that has at least a 350 watt inverter. If you haven't done so, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks so very much for watching. We'll see you very soon around the campfire.